What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm actually in Minneapolis flying Sun Country Airlines. Alright, so I'm actually heading back home from Minneapolis to Chicago, and for the first time ever I'm flying on Sun Country Airlines. They are an ultra cheap airline, and so I'm excited about checking them out. Now, I actually upgraded from the cheapest seats, just the economy, to what I think is like economy plus. It's a 2-inch improvement in legroom. Kind of their higher end is like a 4-inch improvement and a free alcoholic drink, but I'm not spending the extra $10 for that. Let's check it out. Sun Country Airlines seems to use heavily the Boeing 737-800. Seems like a nice plane, lots of room. Like Spirit Airlines, everything seems to be a la carte. This flight was very cheap, $58 from Minneapolis to O'Hare, but that does not include a carry-on, which would have been an extra $20 had I had one. I also want to mention that they don't appear to have an app where you can check in. So I actually had to check in on the website, and I had to screenshot the QR code for my boarding pass. So I'm not sure what the other options are other than checking in at the kiosk. Now, like Southwest Airlines, it appears that Sun Country does not have seat assignments, so I had to choose and pay for my seat at check-in. Now, the seat prices range from $2 to $35. The seats in the back seem to be about a $9 charge, and I paid $20 for the seat with 2 extra inches of legroom, which was towards the front. On my particular flight, they were charging $32 for the front seats, which had 4 inches of additional legroom and 1 free alcoholic drink. Now, the seats were comfortable, but they were a bit thin, and they were nicely covered in leather, but I could feel someone kick me repeatedly in the back. One of the nice things was that there were power ports between the seats, which is kind of nice to see in kind of an economy class seating. Now, I'm not sure why some of the seats had headrests and some didn't. Mine didn't. Now, there was also drink service on my flight, but because of how short the flight was, they started in the back, and by the time they got up to my row, they were shutting it down because we were on the approach. Now, I also couldn't help notice that the paint schemes and the seat color choices were very reminiscent of another airline, and I don't know if that's because maybe they buy airplanes from them after they get rotated out of service or something, but obviously there are a lot of things that look pretty similar to Southwest Airlines. Hey, I took Sun Country Airlines, didn't take a carry-on, just had my backpack because it was a one-day trip, and for the price point, $58, plus $20, $78 to get from Minneapolis to Chicago, I think was a pretty good deal. If you want to book a great deal on travel, check out my link to Expedia in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.